now, after the Karnataka Assembly passed the 4% minority quota bill in the Assembly, ruckus erupted back in the Parliament. An all-out fight between JP Nadda, Kharge in Parliament as well as Kiran Rijiju. Mr. Nadda accused the Congress of stealing OBC quota for minorities. He also claimed that Congress is granting backdoor entry to Muslims. The BJP vowed to block any religious-based quota, alleging that Congress is attempting to undermine the constitution with anti-Ambedkar policies. Congress chief and leader of opposition Mallikarjun Kharge meanwhile defended what DK Shiv Kumar said, that he never wanted to change the constitution because this was also a bone of contention in Parliament. He claimed that the idea of altering the Samvidhan came from the other side of the house. The face-off erupted when Karnataka Deputy CM DK Shiv Kumar had stated that constitution can be changed to accommodate 4% minority quota for contractors. Later, you had the Deputy CM of Karnataka downplaying his remarks, claiming that his statement was misquoted. He emphasized that the Congress gave the constitution to the country and would never change it.
डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर ने स्टेटमेंट दिया है हाउस में कि जरूरत पड़ेगी तो हम संविधान को भी बदलेंगे. दिस इज अ वेरी सीरियस मैटर और ये लोग बड़े संविधान के रक्षक बनते हैं और ये लोग संविधान की रक्षा करने की बात सारे देश को बताते हैं, ढोल पीटते हैं, वो संविधान की धज्जियां उड़ाते हैं. ये इसके लिए हम रोज करते हैं.
But what do you want? What do you want?
I want that such laws and rules should be withdrawn and discussion should take place, and Congress party president and the leader of the opposition should answer this question.
On the basis of the backward class, what is in my state, on that basis, my government has taken a call. I said that let us wait for the court. In so many cases, on so many states, it may be Maharashtra, it may be Haryana, or many states on this type of reservation, people have gone to the court and courts have given various judgments. That is why I said after various judgments, the constitutions will have to have changed earlier.
All right, before we get to a political face-off, just a short while ago, Jairam Ramesh from the Congress has tweeted out suggesting that there is an attempt to spread misinformation at the back of what the Karnataka government has posed as the minority quota. Number one, he says very clearly that this is not a Muslim quota. It is minorities which are covering other faiths as well. And then he, of course, details on how the BJP, which the Congress claims is spreading misinformation.